In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate project intake with Asana AI Studio in this quick tutorial. Whether you're juggling multiple project requests or looking to streamline your workflow, Asana provides a robust set of tools that can save you time and effort. Let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about forms and rules integration. Creating forms in Asana is an effective way to capture project requests with standardized fields. This means you'll set up a form that can collect details consistently, ensuring nothing important is missed from any request. Once these forms are created, the magic of automation begins. You can set up rules that will automatically assign form submissions to the correct team members. This ensures that everyone knows exactly what they need to work on without the hassle of manually sorting through tasks. The great part is, these forms can be submitted by anyone, even those who do not have an Asana account, and will automatically create tasks right in your intake project. It's a clear win for any team looking to minimize manual effort. Moving on to project rules, Asana allows you to employ rules to automatically create tasks, milestones, and approvals whenever specific triggers occur. This is particularly helpful to streamline recurrent actions and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. By pre-configuring details such as assignee, due dates, and project associations, you effectively eliminate repetitive administrative work. It's worth noting that these rule-based features are available with Asana's business or enterprise subscriptions, so be sure to have the necessary access level for these functionalities. Next, we have third-party integrations. Often your projects don't exist in isolation, and that's where integrations come into play. For example, integrating Salesforce with Asana can automatically spin up projects when opportunities hit certain stages in your sales pipeline. Similarly, email and Slack integrations can convert daily conversations into actionable tasks, keeping everything documented and actionable on Asana. Another powerful tool at your disposal is the CSV import feature. If you're transitioning project data from existing spreadsheets, this is incredibly useful. You can import your project data seamlessly by mapping spreadsheet columns to Asana fields. This not only sets up your intake processes quickly, but also minimizes the risk of data entry errors. By leveraging these key methods, forms and rules integration, project rules, third-party integrations, and CSV import, you can automate your project intake process effectively. Each of these methods provides an opportunity to save time, reduce errors, and keep your team aligned. So go ahead and explore these features in Asana AI Studio to enhance your project management workflow. With a bit of setup, you'll find your projects flowing more smoothly than ever before. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.